Hello boys and girls, Mitch D.M.T here. Basically, we've got our first little meet up in Ashford with Kanjo Doro. I think that's how you say it, they might tell me off.
Might be Kanjo or something.
Might be Kanjo, don't know, but anyway, Kanjo-Doro. So yeah, basically...
Mitch can spell. That's a lie.
Basically, we'll update later on. We're going to meet John, a few others in Tenterden, and then we're going to move on to Ashford and go Papa John's because Manaman needs to eat.
Manaman's feeling hungry.
Starving Manaman.
Right, we are currently on the way to the meet. We're in the Cockney Boys.
I can't say.
In the Cockney Boys JZX. Off to meet John, and then off to Ashford. So yeah, going well. Almost set up the Steadicam. But I'm probably not going to be very good at it, so we'll see how that comes out.
And yeah, I'm just hoping my car don't get too dirty between now and Ashford.
It's pretty dusty, but it'll be alright. She's looking pretty clean, not going to lie. What's the stuff called that you've got?
I've got some, it's old, I've had it for years. It's made by Muck-Off. It's like an instant detailer. Kind of worked out, you put it on so thick that it makes your rag wet, and you just slop it on. So it looks like water almost on the bodywork, and then you just buff it off. And it's like a sealer, and it makes your car look... If you've got wax already done to it, it brings it up beautiful. So
do you reckon that'll fix the chaser bodywork? Paintwork?
You need more than instant detail, you need instant body shop.
Instant paint. Right, we'll catch you in a bit.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
So Cockney Boy's trying to use a camera, pretending he's good at technology when we all know he's not.
I keep crushing my hand, look. I ain't thought this through really yet, have I? So
let's have a look at what we've got here. We've got Rob's RS2000, look at the state of that.
Right old dog, innit?
Look, John. Hello, John.
So we're both trying to eat healthier because we're trying to get back into the gym.
Won't matter, we'll run over.
And we just have to get pizza.
Come coffee in my face! In the pizza place! Look what happens, like, we've waited so long, just look like me before and now look. You get so skinny in the face waiting for your pizza and it takes so long.
Ah, that's what we call a good diet.
And this is not.
I was just searching, I was like, oh, I've got more.
She's got more subscribers than us, and she's just admitted she does nothing, and we're trying our fucking best. So
I've got a cool camera though, so
we ain't. We've got Mitch's phone. So yeah, we're basically still at the first spot. Might be moving on. Don't know yet. Look, jeez, that's goodness. This is Alex 100. Let me turn the camera around a bit easier. This Alex 100. I want this. It's a sexy, sexy car. My one. Oh, we've got better light. There we go. There's the light. Old school goodness. Yeah, some nice JDM vibes going on. Yeah. So, where's the posh one? Oh, let's get to the mic. Anyone else want to get in? It's a wave. It's probably a really nice escort. So yeah, we're just. Hello, Mitch.
Hello.
You're famous. Well, not famous. You're on a page. See, this gets confusing. This man has got the best name ever.
No, you've got the best name.
No, my friend.
Jesus Christ, you two.
Man,
Get it.
Should we get lube? This has gone really well so far. How many cars are in?
It's got to be about
30, 40 cars, yeah.
Really nice chaps again.
Yes, we've had pizza, we've met people, it's been a good...
We got fat.
He's already there.
Sorry mate, I know I'm the fat one here. But yes, I don't know if we're moving on or not. Some do, some don't. I want to get some rolling footage and stuff, but we will see.
Convoy would be nice.
Convoy would be cool. We've got some good cars for it, so...
We'll see.
We'll see, my
We'll see in a
update.
bit anyway, obviously.
Don't look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers. Standing in the shade. Going louder, we are all one color. Standing in their way. Join the army of the shadows.
So we've just finished our little meet, and I'm really happy. I know I've said this about 1,000 times now, but I was genuinely quite shocked. We've only advertised it for like 3 days. 3 days? We only advertised it for like 3 days on the pages. You know, not really pushed it at all, have we? And about 40 cars turned up, so, you know,
People
excellent.
coming from as far as Gillingham. Yeah, do you want to reiterate? Thank you to everyone who come.
Really nice group,
Top bunch of people, some friendly faces.
made some new friends, awesome. Cousins!
Until next time, people.
See you later.
Bye.